The second phase of COVID-19 vaccination drive has already begun in India, and many people are still unaware of how the two vaccines, Covaxin and Covishield, are different from each other. Currently, the government has not allowed people to decide which vaccine they want to get, but the result of the first phase clearly suggests that both the vaccines being inoculated in India are safe and effective. Well, we have compiled all the information to give you a better understanding of the formulation and every other detail about the vaccine you are going to get. Covaxin has been developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech International Limited in association with the Indian Council of Medical Research and National Institute of Virology. Covishield has been developed by the Oxford AstraZeneca and is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India. Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine which has been prepared on a tried and tested platform of dead viruses. This vaccine is developed with whole virion inactivated Vero cell-derived technology. They contain inactivated viruses which cannot infect a person but still can teach the immune system to prepare a defense mechanism against the active virus. These conventional vaccines have been in use for decades now. There are vaccines for some other diseases as well which are made using the same technology. These diseases are Covishield has been prepared using the viral vector platform which is a totally different technology. A chimpanzee adenovirus has been modified to enable it to carry the COVID-19 spike protein into the cells of humans, while this cold virus is basically incapable of infecting the receiver but can very well teach the immune system to prepare a mechanism against such viruses. The exact technology was used to prepare vaccines for viruses like Ebola. Covaxin second dose need to be given 4 to 6 weeks after first dose. Covishield second dose could be delayed, that is given 6 to 8 weeks after. As per interim result and clinical studies, Covaxin was found to carry over 78% efficacy. There is clinical evidence suggested that Covaxin could reduce severity and mortality risk by whopping 100%. Covishield, which wrapped up trial in November last year, carries an efficacy rate of 70%, which could be further raised up to 90% if the dosing is given half a dose followed by full dose a month later. The mid-side effect of Covaxin include injection, side pain, side swelling, side redness, side itching, stiffness in the upper arm, weakness in the injection arm, body, headache, fever, malaise, weakness, rashes, nausea, vomiting. In 1 in 4 people experience mild, short-lived systematic side effect. Systemic effects include headache, fatigue, chills and shiver, diarrhea, fever, malaria, and nausea. Both Covishield and Covaxin can be stored at 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, which is a household refrigerator temperature. This makes both the vaccines most suited for Indian conditions, as most of the vaccines here are kept at the same temperature range. This also makes the transportation and storage of both vaccines easier. Covaxin has been granted a restricted use authorization in clinical trial mode, while Covishield has been allowed for restricted use in emergency situations that can potentially prevent coronavirus infection in people again aging 18 years and older. However, the Drugs Controller General of India has not given a market use authorization clearance to any of the vaccines till now. Both Covaxin and Covishield are intramuscular vaccines. Covishield has been approved for people aged 18 years and above, while Covaxin can be given to people aged 12 years and above. There, however, is not any assurance if the vaccine can be given to children and pregnant women.